Hello, my name is Peter Melton. I'm here today to tell you about a new idea that can help spread peace and unity throughout the world. Like many of us, I've been searching for that connection, and yeah, there's many ways to feel connection for a moment, but how do we feel it on a lasting basis? How do we remind ourselves and express to others this knowing that we're all one? It's called the unity sign. It's the peace sign 2.0, if you will. It's a hand signal that takes off from the old two-finger peace sign, which originally stood for V for victory, and it incorporates unity and oneness and the heart. It goes like this. It takes us from the two fingers where we used to think we were separate from each other and from our planet. And it reminds us that we are connected, we are all one. And here in the heart is where we know that. And as it comes back out, from that heart space, through unity, we can create peace on the planet. See, the unity sign ties in so much other energy that can make this a more powerful and long-lasting expression. We're reminding ourselves, which is always helpful, and we're also expressing to others that, hey, we've got to work together on this if we're going to handle the challenges of our day. And the unity sign is accessible to everyone. It's simple and powerful. It transcends language, religion, race, culture, age. It gives us a chance to share with each other all around the world that we remember that we are all one. And as we share the unity sign, I can feel people resonating with that deep inner knowing of their oneness. And as they feel that, they will want to share the sign with other people. And as that continues, we have a movement. And in this day and age, movements can gain so much steam with social media. A person could video themselves saying, "What does unity mean to me?" and spread it around the world. This idea could very simply go viral and touch the world in a most powerful way, like the free hugs movement. Did you see that? How just connecting with a hug could be spread virally all over the world, literally overnight. This unity sign could do that as well. It's a chance for anyone to share, what does it mean to me? What is unity to me? And what does the unity sign bring out in me as my own unique, glorious expression? This is the starting of a movement that will rock the world and will give us all a chance to express ourselves in the deepest way. Thank you for watching. I invite you to join the growing movement. We can be the change. And from this heart space, with unity, we can create peace on earth. The unity sign. We thought we were separate from each other and our planet. We're remembering that we are connected here in the unity of the heart.